Do you know what you can and can't claim for as expenses within your business? Today I'm going to tell you 10 things that you may or may not know that you can claim. Number 1, office supplies. Anything you use within your office you can claim as an expense, such as your desk phone, a mobile, fax machines, postage costs, business stationery, printing costs, printing ink, and computer software. Number 2, you can claim charitable donations as a business expense. This whole amount comes off of your profit, which then will reduce your tax bill. Number 3 is travel expenses. Now you can't claim your journey to and from work, however you can claim the following. 45p per mile tax-free for up to 10,000 miles per year and 25p per mile thereafter. Depending on whether the vehicle is owned by the business or owned by you personally, you can potentially claim your vehicle insurance, repairs and servicing, fuel, parking, hire charges, licence fees and breakdown cover. You can claim all of your train, bus, air and taxi fares and any hotel rooms that you use for business. You can also claim any meals on overnight trips. Number 4, you can claim all of your legal and professional costs, such as accountants, lawyers and architects. You can also claim all of your bank interest, business loan interest and hire purchase interest on any business vehicles. Number 5, you can claim all your office running costs. This is either if you have an actual office or if you work from home, such as mortgage interest or rent, your electricity, gas, water and the internet. If you work from home, there are many different ways you can calculate the cost to your business of your home office. The most common way of calculating this is looking at the floor plan of your house and understanding how much proportionally of that is designated to your business. We then use that percentage and apply that to all your costs to get to the figure that will be used in your accounts. Number 6 is using bad debts, which are you've invoiced a customer, they're not going to pay you, the likelihood of you receiving that money is very, very low. You can write that off, which will reduce your profit down and ultimately reduce your tax bill. Number 7, you can offset all of your business marketing costs, such as advertising in directories, mail shots, free samples you've produced, website hosting and maintenance, any brochures and printing, and any networking costs. Unfortunately, you cannot claim for entertaining clients or suppliers or any event hospitality. Number 8, which is often a confusing one for some people, is business clothing. You can claim costs such as work-related uniforms, protective clothing, costumes for actors or entertainers. Unfortunately, this cannot be everyday clothing that you choose to wear to work. Number 9 is staff costs. So you can claim for everything staff related, which includes salaries, any employment taxes such as PAYE and national insurance, pension costs, staff insurances such as critical illness or healthcare, and recruitment expenses. Number 10 is professional subscriptions, which is anything industry specific that you are subscribed to as a business. This can include trade or professional magazine subscriptions, any qualifications, any mentoring programs or networking clubs. If there's something in this video that you didn't know you could claim, please give it a like and then subscribe and click the bell for notifications of future videos.